because if spanning tree is not looking at it, we run the risk of creating a loop. So we're going to do spanning tree, BPDU Guard, enable. We turn that on. Beautiful. So that's towards the access ports. But in global configuration, there is a command, and I'll show you here. Hopefully it's close by. Additional protections, additional SDP protection mechanism, right? So what they want you to do, well, they have root guard. We're not doing that right now. We're doing the port fast, but we're doing this. I knew it was going to be right here. Here's the port fast we just did. This is for VLAN. I haven't created the VLAN, but we did do spanning tree port fast. We did do that, all right? And now we want to recover from that. We're doing the safety, the BPDU Guard enable. In case any BPDU goes, it turns it into error disable. So there is, we normally go in there, we say shut, no shut. There is a command, okay? There is a command. Let's call, should be in here, we go. Error disable recovery cause BPDU Guard, and then an error disable recovery interval time in seconds. And then you can look at that by doing the show interface status, okay? Or you can look at the error recovery by looking at the error recovery, or your error disable recovery cause BPDU Guard. So let's do this in case it goes down. How long will it take? But at least to be able to configure this right here, this, so you don't have to go in there and say shut, no shut. All right, so let's go to the switch right here that we're in, which is switch 4. All right, in global configuration, we're going to do error. It's right there, error disable. And then we want the recovery, and then cause, or the cause, not cause. BPDU Guard, it just went by there. You can see there's a lot of reasons, right, for error disable. So BPDU Guard is what we're looking for. BPDU Guard, BPDU Guard, and we hit that. And then when there's another command, recovery interval. All right, and we put it in seconds. Let's just say whatever, 30 seconds. All right, or I think in the book they tell you to put it at 5 minutes, so we put 300 seconds. But what have you? We put it in there. All right, we save that, and then we take a look at it. You're not gonna. I don't think you're gonna see much on there, but because we're not taking it down and what have you, so we're gonna do show err disable recovery. Oh, and that's it. You can put output modifiers. We're just gonna use that, and you can see all these things that are there. But it's set to 300 seconds. That's what we want to make sure we look at. And we did it for the purposes. This is what's